At LabCycle, we want to make laboratory plastic waste recycling possible. We want to make it easy, straightforward, and intuitive. If you can do it at home, you can do it in the lab. There's an enormous amount of single-use plastic waste generated in the research and healthcare sector. And at the moment, all of it just gets sent to landfills or incineration because there's a lack of scalable technology to decontaminate and recycle this single-use plastic waste. So we can recycle plastics such as polystyrene, which are things like petri dishes or cell culture flask. And also we can recycle things like polypropylene, which is these centrifuge tubes, pipette tips, syringes, and these micro centrifuge tubes. When we have the contaminated plastic from the lab, it will get segregated in the lab, and then it will be loaded into our automated decontamination system. And after that, the plastic will be cleaned and decontaminated and turned into flakes. And these flakes will be loaded into the plastic dryer here. So they will basically get rid of the moisture in the plastics. And then it will be loaded into the extruder. So the extruder will turn it into high-grade plastic pellet, which can be used for downstream manufacturing into lab-grade consumables. I did my PhD in the Department of Life Science a few years back. And during that time, I worked in the lab every day and discovered that there's such amount of single-use plastic waste used in our day-to-day research life. And everyone around me were talking about it and saying that, why can't this be recycled? But apparently at that time, there were no solution to recycle this waste. And that's where LabCycle comes in. We developed technology to efficiently decontaminate and recycle this single-use plastic waste from the research and healthcare sector and turn them into high-grade recycled plastic pellets. And they're uniquely suitable for the manufacturing of lab-grade or medical-grade consumables, so we can circulate them back to the research and healthcare sector. We're hoping to scale up in the UK in the next 2 or 3 years to enable the recycling of different sorts of single-use plastic waste from the research and healthcare sector. And we hope that we can help the research and healthcare sector to reach their sustainability goal. We want to encourage the behavior change in the laboratory and in the research and healthcare sector in general, and help people understand that it's possible to do research sustainably and create a better environmental impact.